Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a recipe for barbecue pigtails. Yes, I said it, barbecue pigtails. You know your girl like pigtail. So let's go to the kitchen. Let me show you how I prepare this barbecue pigtail, baby. So these are the pigtails, right? After I let the water boil right down, and you can see at the bottom of the pot, you can see that white stuff there. That's the salt that is extracted from the pigtails. So this is the second time I put water in the pot, and I allowed water to boil and boil down right down. So I'm going to wash out the pigtails again, wash out that salt there, put a fresh set of water and allow it to boil again. The pigtail is still a bit tough. Let me just show. It has a little way to go still. It's still a little tough, you see, still a little tough. So you're gonna have quite a while to get this nice and tender. So like I said before, I'm gonna wash out that excess salt around here, add more water and let it boil again. Okay, so here the pigtails boiling again. This is the third time I'm doing this process. Like I said before, I washed out the pot. I washed out the salt that was stuck up to the pot at the bottom of the pot, as you saw before. And I put fresh, clean water, and this is boiling again. The technique here is basically to soften the pigtails and to extract as much salt as I can. So I think I'm going to do this maybe a few times again, because as you can see here, the pigtails are quite tough still. So here are the pigtails, basically nice and tender, and basically moved all most of the salt from it. So I'm going to add some barbecue sauce, and for me I want it like a little spicy. So I'm also going to be adding some, that should do it, some pepper sauce, maybe about a teaspoon of pepper sauce. Mix everything together. Yeah, baby. Then I'm going to, as I said, mix everything together and put it in the oven and leave it for like about 30 minutes. Okay folks, so here's my barbecue pigtails looking all super delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Well, if you guys eat pigtail, you'll enjoy this, but if not, well, I don't even think you'll reach this part of the I don't even think you'll reach this part of the video. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.